guys, welcome back, and I'm so excited for the trip today. I am finally going to a park that I have never been to before, but have always wanted to go ever since I heard about it, which was like years ago. I'm headed to Killarney Provincial Park. If I had a nickel for every time someone told me, what, you haven't been to Killarney yet? You gotta go. I'd have like 10 nickels. It's been like 10 people. Hopefully we're gonna hike the crack tomorrow. So one of the tricky things about right now is that there are a ton of wildfires burning in both Alberta, the BC, and Northern Ontario. And so we have a smoke advisory going on right now because of this smoke. So hiking the crack tomorrow will be interesting. However, I think it's actually supposed to rain in Killarney today during the day and then clear up tonight, which might push out all of the smoke. I am headed to a carpool lot to pick up some of my friends and their dog, and we're headed up to Killarney to hike and enjoy and just revel in the beauty of Northern Ontario. Killarney is one of the most pristine Ontario parks in the province, and I honestly can't believe I haven't been there yet. I have tried many times to go there, just it never worked out, but finally I'm going. I'm stoked to bring you along. Let's go!
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Good morning from day 2 of Killarney. Last night the stars were incredible. Unfortunately, I did not get a great photo of them, but that's okay. Killarney is a dark sky preserve, so if you ever do come here, then I definitely suggest at least staying up late one night. I'm so excited. Today we are hiking the crack, which is about a 6-hour hike, and I'm stoked. I've wanted to do this for so long. And we're here, we're doing it, and it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be strenuous because it's a lot of scrambling, but I'm ready for it. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'll check in when we start the trail. Let's go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching.
Made it to a crevice where it's very cool.
Say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
We made it! Now we're eating lunch. Yum.
I forgot to film this part, but we made it back down from the crack. The whole hike took about 4.5 hours, with a hefty break at the top to enjoy that gorgeous view.
It's time to say goodbye to Killarney. I had so much fun here, and I'm so glad I finally got to make it here. We hiked the crack, we hiked Cranberry Bog, we saw the lake. We didn't go kayaking or canoeing, but maybe next time. And yeah, we had a lovely time camping here. Definitely would recommend the whole park. Just come at least once. All right, that's it for this video. Until next time, catch you later. Bye-bye.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.